100 chicken nuggets?
100. It's just gonna be a bit of a wait if that's okay.
Yeah, is that possible?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. And then just all in 10-piece boxes.
Yeah, is that okay?
Yeah, for sure. 87.50. Thank you very much.
I'm just giving it out to the homeless, so.
Yeah, no worries. Need more people like you in the world.
How many people are in the kitchen?
3 or 4.
Could I give them a tip? Are they allowed to accept tips?
I could go ask my general manager if that's okay. No, sorry. So
Okay.
50-50.
Perfect. Chicken nuggets.
Well, sweetly, thank you.
Thank you. Barbecue, that's it. Is that okay?
God bless you.
One more?
It's the purple one.
Any sauce? Okay, thank you.
Chicken nuggets?
Do you have any more? Oh, God bless you. Thank you.
You want sauce?
Whatever kind you got.
Another sauce. Okay.